Building information modeling is an expert topic for professional construction and technical planners. In early phases of factory planning projects, there is usually no BIM expert involved yet. Nevertheless, industrial buildings must already be designed in these early project phases. This leads to the following questions. Are there ways to approach the topic of BIM easily and conveniently? How can industrial buildings be designed without being a BIM expert? Ideally, the production and logistics processes should define the requirements for the industrial buildings, and not vice versa. For this purpose, a system building catalog for early phases of factory planning projects was developed in cooperation with the company GOLDBECK. The idea is to provide ready-made system halls according to the Lego principle in different construction heights and hall widths. So how does this work exactly? We show it with an example. The starting point are block layout variants from the design phase of production. Each block layout variant defines different requirements for the industrial construction. On this basis, the appropriate building module can be selected from the pool of prefabricated system halls and placed on the block layout. Predefined layers support to show, hide or lock elements of the halls as needed. Finally, the hall models are further adapted to the requirements of the block layout variants. To do this, simply replace the standard elements of the hall model with the appropriate functional elements. For example, gates, doors, windows, or loading bridges can be inserted in the places provided in the building system. Particularly practical. All wall elements have been equipped with selection helpers, so that they can be easily selected by the mouse outside the building contour and easily replaced by the appropriate elements. Once the design is complete, the system supplier GOLDBECK can be supplied with the model via an interface. Because everything has been developed together with the system supplier, he can provide feedback very quickly with regard to feasibility and the necessary budget. The decision for the selection of a preferred variant is thus possible in a very short time.